Epicureanism is a philosophical movement that was founded by the Greek philosopher Epicurus in the 3rd century BC. It's based on the idea that the ultimate goal of life is to achieve pleasure and avoid pain, and that individuals should strive to live in a way that maximizes these pleasures and minimizes suffering. Epicureans believe that pleasure is the ultimate good, and all other values, such as wealth, power, and fame, are ultimately inferior. They argued that pleasure is not the same as hedonism, which is the pursuit of immediate pleasure without regard for the consequences, but rather that it is the result of living a virtuous and rational life. Epicureans also believe that the key to achieving pleasure is to live a simple and moderate life, and to avoid overindulging in pleasure or acquiring unnecessary possessions. They argued that these actions lead to unnecessary suffering, and that living simply and moderately allows individuals to focus on what is truly important and to live a more fulfilled and meaningful life. In addition to their emphasis on pleasure and simplicity, Epicureans also placed a strong emphasis on the importance of friendship and community. They believe that individuals are social creatures and that forming strong relationships with others is essential for achieving happiness and fulfillment. Overall, Epicureanism is a philosophical movement that emphasizes the importance of pleasure and avoidance of suffering as ultimate goals. It advocates for living simply and moderately, and for the cultivation of strong relationships with others. While it was influential in ancient Greece, Epicureanism is still relevant today as people consider the best way to live.